Ay, sama-sama na siya. Go. Ayan. There's something special about slowing down in Kalash. This is the traditional Kalashi.
Yes, this is traditional.
On this episode, let's go somewhere I never expected. Everybody, I was not supposed to be here, just to let you know. Hinatak lang ako ni Dada, sumama lang ako. Ay! A simple invitation into a local Kalash home. Pagpasok ko pa lang, everything seemed to move a little slower. The sound of everyday life.
Outer is sleepy.
Okay.
1 plus old.
The warmth of the family. Are you brothers?
We are brothers.
Yes, yes.
I can see the face. And the peaceful atmosphere.
We all to eat dinner.
Today, walang engrandeng celebration. Just genuine hospitality. Grabe, no?
Please, you come here.
Saan niya na ako dinala, no? And a quiet reminder of what truly makes travel meaningful. So tara, samahan niyo ako as we spend a few moments inside the Kalash home and experience this beautiful glimpse of everyday life in one of Pakistan's most fascinating communities. This is Kate Toretta from Pakistan. Let's go! Let's do it. Kasi ang tamang pagigil, dapat, it's just you, yourself, and I. At the end of the day, you're still gonna choose to be with yourself. Kailangan mong matutong maging mag-isa. Maglandi ka, pero segue lang. Don't use any other people to distract yourself from fully healing yourself. We are boom, boom, boom. I thought I'm gonna be dead. Boom, boom. Kala ko mamamatay ako. What is your name?
Nazir.
Nazir Ahmed. My name is K.
K?
Yeah, beautiful K.
Oh, where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines.
So you are from Philippines.
Yeah, I was in Dubai for 5 years. And then I quit my job. So 3 years, I am traveling full-time. And for 3 years, full-time, I did not go home.
You have full time to visit only in the country.
Yeah. I only go home to the Philippines 2 times in 8 years. In 8 years. Dada sugar. Tora. Sugar.
Yes,
Yes, this is very good. No.
For me? No.
You have sugar?
No.
No. Yes, sweet is, I think, if you have cases. Otherwise, no problem.
I'm taking care of my sugar, my mom sugar, my mom brother sugar. So me, I want to be healthy. Yeah, I don't want to have sugar problem because I like coffee and chai.
Okay, I have like
Kawa is okay, kawa.
Oh, kawa is okay.
Kawa, awaw. Yes.
Then how many days you eat here?
I need to go to Chitral because I need good internet connection for my work. So yeah, I upload videos. So yeah.
No, here is also that is fast. No.
No, it's slow, super slow, not working.
No, if you go in upside, on the side, so they are very fast.
Today, user are load.
No,
Load.
you don't. It's not depend the user. Listen to me.
Mm.
Near Davis checkpost.
Ah.
This hotel Siki Kishu. Alag ke namo semua sa jamin ki Kishu. There, that place. Believe me.
Sure.
Wi-Fi seem to Chitral there is the Wi-Fi is not working good. That is very good.
Sure.
Yes, if we have some net problem, then we go there. It's very.
Good. Are you brothers?
We are brothers.
Yes.
I can see the face.
Yes.
And the teeth is the same. This is the traditional Kalashi.
Yes, this is traditional of our Kalash home, yes.
We all to eat dinner.
This is just our dining room.
You know what happened? Why I'm here?
Ah,
I'm walking. Dada saw me. Sit. Go, Krakal.
yes. No, here.
It's okay? Where is your baby?
La la la.
Can I also put? Me help.
Yes.
How? Ay,
Splendor na rin niya.
this good. Yes. Me put. Everybody, I was not supposed to be here, just to let you know. Hinatak lang ako ni Dada, sumama lang ako. Ay! Me. Ay, sama-sama na siya. Go. Ayan.
Supo kabil ne. Supo kabil ne.
You are hard work.
Ay, hardworking. Strong, I am not sure. Because someone break my heart. Ay! Joke lang.
So early in the morning, Chatral and his duty is Chatral.
Ah,
Then
Mostly he
motorcycle.
travels.
bike.
His bike.
Yes, full speed.
Yeah.
Are you slow? No problem.
Slow.
No.
Mamatay nga ako kanina. Slow pa yun.
This is first time here. Here Kailash. This is first time.
No, 2 times.
Oh.
Bumbaret, Karakay, Graveyard. Kailan ba ako dumating?
Asan mo siya ka na? Asan mo ano?
Ay,
Sometime.
it's okay. I'm Pakistan 2 years. Mas.
Properly everything you have properly.
I am prepared. This is my life. I need to be prepared. Oh. Multo naman pala. Ishpata. No, it's okay. Ishpata kay Tapos.
He's our sister.
Yeah. So everybody, nandito na po tayo ngayon sa lugar kung saan. Charis lang. Joke lang. Philippines. Yes, Philippines. The beautiful Philippines.
Philippines, very good.
Yes, very same Pakistan.
Same Pakistan.
Yeah, but I like you have snow. Philippines, garam rain, Barish, Baran, rain.
In here, no.
Yeah, Dada. Want to try? No, you like, but slowly ah.
Yeah, it's like,
Grabe na yung pagkaka-slow mo. Grabe na yung pagkaka-slow niya. Literal na slow.
this is very good.
Very good. It's my favorite. She should try.
Very good. Yeah.
You like?
Shilat ka hoge.
Aya, try Aya.
This is
I like.
Good? Okay. When I come back from Thailand, I will buy. This from Thailand.
Thailand.
Yes, I will give to you, okay? Sinabi ko sa camera, shucks, laro tayo.
From Thailand.
Yes, this from Thailand. I wanna give you, but this is the last one I have. Ishpata. How do you say come inside? Come inside.
anay.
Anay. Come inside, anay.
Mamu ka mehman.
Anday.
Ye mamu ka mehman.
Anday. Anday. Come. Pashto Rasha. Rasha ka na. Ashpata. Okay, as.
Soete. Yeah, say cheese.
It's good. Azam bay. Azam, he's your friend.
Yeah.
Okay.
He's our
Brother, friend, old friend.
Mm-hmm.
Adam Khan Bhai, he's from Swat.
Swat?
Yes.
Pakto ni. Say. Chig dara.
Motorway.
Nay, chig dara. Near motorway?
Swat motorway.
Yeah.
He is from here.
I think before the Barikot, like this. Yeah. Yeah. I'm thinking near Barikot, yeah.
Asrin soya.
I spent most of my time in Pakistan in Swat
Saman.
with Pakhtuns.
He is Swat.
All. Madyan, Kalam, Mingora, Barikot,
Kalam.
Malam Jaba.
Malam Jaba,
Ah.
they are very most beautiful.
Yeah. But now I am encouraging my friends to visit Pakistan
Yes.
to change the people thinking.
People think.
Yeah.
네, 저는 사이좋는데. 빠뜨리기네. 시미네.
It's there. Yeah. So everybody, just enjoy watching this. Kung hindi nyo naiintindihan, bala na kayo mag-grab translation. Everybody, alam nyo tong vlog na to, biglaan lang talaga to. Wala naman akong dapat vlog. Kaso nga si Dada, hinatak nga ako. So thanks to Dada, meron akong vlog for today's video. Dagdugtong to. Saan ako nakakarating, no? Alam mo, shoutout sa mga tita ko nagsasabing ako daw ang batang hindi mapermanente sa bahay. Nagkatotoo. Masayahin siyang kausap, no? Kung may tatanong ka lang, mag-i-smile siya. Tala mo, tatanungin ko. Palangiti siya. Maganda yung ganyan lalaki. Nakakagaan ng kalooban. Dami namin bisita. Everybody, ito po yung nangyayari at the moment. Yan po ang mga kababaihan, nakaupo dyan. Gawa ng kalam. Tapos ito kami nakaupo dito. You are happy person, no?
Yeah, thank you.
Appear. Uma-appear na siya, marunong na siya.
Yes, partner, you find now what's weather?
Always hot.
Oh,
1 year hot. All hot. Only hot.
only hot.
Only hot.
Too much. Just
Yeah. Yeah.
No change like summer, winter.
No,
autumn.
summer.
Only summer.
But we have places like Kalash also, but it's north.
not.
Yeah. We also have sing-sing. Teka nga, nai-stress ako sa ano. Nagbiblink eh. Bukas tayo ilaw para may stable ilaw ako. Ganda ko. I'm saying I am beautiful.
Yes,
Shakespeare. Appear mo ulit. I'm the most beautiful now. How many brothers you have? How old are you again?
4 brothers.
How old are you again? Age.
Age 8.
Kanina 24. 26. 27 now 28.
Yeah.
What is the real? What is your real age?
Real age.
You forgot?
No, I not forgot.
What is what year you were born? What year? Nakalimutan niya edad niya.
My date of birth is 1996. I in education background. But I don't know, maybe they have mistake or they have yes. But in another
Inop ko na yung camera ko. Tatapusin ko na sana yung vlog. May pahabol pala siya. May papakita daw siya mga larawan. Go. Just don't look the light, okay? Because it will hurt your eyes. This one, don't look. Only this. Go. Show me. Ay, this is the baby.
and this is relative.
Ah, relative. Ah, smiling face din yung anak mo. Like father, like son, daughter.
Yeah.
Girl or boy?
Yes.
Girl or boy? Boy, ah. Like father, like son naman pala. Palangiti din yung bata. Ito. Ah, you're police.
Yeah.
Ah, police ka pala. Police pala to. Baka ma-Julisima tayo.
This decade this is Bamburet. We are playing there.
Yeah.
This is Bamburet. We are
This is
playing
you?
golf. Yes.
Ah, looking good. Ang handsome na ito, no? May asawa at anak na kasi. So you are looking good. You are the best.
Yes.
Apir mo ulit. Everybody, hindi ko na alam kung nangyayari sa araw na to. What is this?
This is old house.
Ha?
A very old house.
A very-
Here very old people live. Here very old people live. Look.
It's okay? I'm allowed to enter?
This is
Grandfather.
Dada.
Big Dada.
Ah, okay.
100 plus age.
100 plus.
Yes.
Grabe, saan niya na ako dinala? Naghanap lang naman ako ng hotspot. Hotspot lang naman.
Other is sleepy.
Ah, okay.
1 plus old.
Ish. Okay, then let them sleep. Huwag mo nang gisingin. Grabe, nung
Please, you come here.
It's okay. Ishpat. Saan niya na ako dinala, no? Naghanap lang naman ako ng hotspot. Dinala niya na ako sa mga bahay ng matatanda. Nakakaloka. Mahirap pala magtanong ng hotspot sa
Now it is
kanya.
working.
Na.
Not working.
Now it's working.
Ah, working.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know?
Yes. He's very strong.
Casino no?
Yeah. I see. He's my Anish. He is living Anish, Zahir Shah.
Yeah.
He's little care.
Yeah. It's good or no?
Yes.
Good.
Strong.
What's strong?
Man, good boy.
Good boy. Yun pala yung strong, good boy.
Yes.
Bagay tayo no, may asawa ka lang eh. Mga po mo.
You are
Matino lang ako.
sure never.
Are they okay? It's okay. They're shy. It's okay. They're shy. Let's do this. It's okay.
Yeah, neki lać paśwarysio, now takbiban na leżał pam.
Nala.
Dada.
Hoy, pauwi na kami. Nakakaloka talaga tong araw na to. Naglalakad lang ako. San-san pa ako nadala. Nakakontent ako. Good. Sabihin ko sana beautiful.
Yeah, you from?
The Philippines.
Philippines?
Yes, you like?
I like Philippines. I like
Good people. Beautiful people. Yes. Ay, madami palang meet up na.
Hello, how are you?
Ishfata?
Ishfat.
Okay. Okay, yes, Ishfata. Ay, dami pala ng... Ay, wait here, okay? Hello, how are you? Good. Everybody, yun na yun, ha? Mag-subscribe kayo. Huy. Ako sinasakripisyo ko yung kikitain ko para makapag-vlog sa bundok. Walang signal. Kung alam niyo lang yung hirap ko maghanap ng hotspot dito. Bye-bye. See you. Oh, ayun na yun, everybody. Ay, eto na naman tayo. So, eto na to, everybody. We are finally heading back home. Ang daming gwapa. Nagtitino lang ako. Matino ako. Kasi ang tamang pagigil. Charas. Dapat, it's just you, yourself, and I. Segue lang, pero dapat, at the end of the day, you're still gonna choose to be with yourself. Learn to be, kailangan mong matutong maging mag-isa. Maglandi ka, pero segue lang. Wag mong, don't use any other people or don't use ang paglalandi to distract yourself from fully healing yourself. Nanggaling sa malandi. Sinong maniniwala? Siyempre, walang maniniwala. Sira ulo ba ako? Sino maniniwala sa akin? Ang dami nangyayari sa paligid. Ano ba? Pero ng ilaw to buwisit. Kakapi ko. Kanina pa siya, Hindi ko na makita yung friend ko dyan. Dami kong ginagawa sa buhay. Nag-e-enjoy ako. Alam niyo ba, pinapagod ko talaga yung sarili ko. Para kapag uwi ko, tulog lang ako, wala akong iniisip. Kaya ito reto, #moving on. Yes, it is true. Hi. Hello. Gwapo naman ang kapitbahay ko dito. Alam mo kung may signal lang dito, hindi na ako aalis. Okay, again.
I'm okay.
Laro kayo. At home ako sa Pakistan, di ba? I told you, Pakistan is like my second home. Alam niyo ba, it's so good to see this place with a lot of foreigners. Kaso, yun nga, yung festival lang maraming foreigner dito. So, kapag wala namang ganap dito, medyo patay din yung lugar. But, for the experience, I love that. So, for sure, babalik ako dito. Oh, alam mo, grabe yung uso. Nakaka-stress. Tignan mo. Kita nyo ba yan? Oh, alikabok pala, usok. Sorry naman. Grabe mag-drive si Dada. Natatakot talaga ako. Promise. Na-order talaga ako sa pagdadrive niya. Pero laban lang. Ilaban natin to. Araw-araw niya itong ginagawa sa buong buhay niya. So, naniniwala ako. Ayun na rin yung pinaninindigan ko. Iniisip ko at the moment.